our institution and guiding us towards success. Let us give a round of applause to our school principal, Mr. Diosdado E. Salas.
Hello! Hello! Hi!
Hello!
Okay. Are you excited? Okay, before I will continue, I would like to tell everyone that in this kind of activity, we should be in our place, and we must bear the heat of the sun. Kaya nga naman yun ng athletes, di ba? Ganiha, pamina mo, ganiha, ang akong gustong parade, doon ra, tungod kay init. Ang akong pasabot to, dili ta magpainit og maayo sa parade, kay for sure, init yun direct sa ato ang plaza.